In our earlier period, we started our fourth chapter, Operation on Fraction. Today, we are going to learn showing fraction on a number line. Student, see, this is a number line or a scale. Understand? And it is easy to mark the fraction 4 upon 10. See student, it is a 4 upon 10 because 0 to 1 we divided 0 to 1 into 10 equal part. That's why this is 4 line. See student, that's why this is a 4 upon 10 because 0 to 1 is a 10 equal parts and this line is a fourth part marks on a 0. That's why it is a 4 upon 10. Then this is a 7 part after 3. Understand? 7 mark of the 10 equal part after 3, between 3 and 4. That's why it is show 3 integer 7 upon 10. Next example is, let's us show the fraction 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 7 upon 3 on a number line. So this denominator is 3. That's why on the number line every unit is divided into 3 equal part. Means 0 to 1. See student, 1, 2, 3. Understand? We divided into 3 equal part. Then 2. So this line is second number. That's why this is a 2 upon 3. Then 0, from 0 this is a fourth marks. That's why it is a 4 upon 3. And this is a 7 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why this is a 7 upon 3. We write here 7 upon 3. We count from 0. Understand? If a fraction has to be shown on a number line, if we show a fraction on number line, every unit on the number line must be divided into as many equal parts at a denominator. In previous example, it is a 3 denominator. That's why we do 3 equal part on a number line. So we solving our practice set 11. First example is, what fraction do the point A and B shown on a number line. See student, this is the first example. This is a number line and we find out A and B. Understand? We find out A and B. First solution is, each unit is divided into 6 equal part because denominator, how is denominator? 6 is denominator. That's why 0 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we divided into 6 equal part. A is a fifth mark. See student, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is a fifth mark. That's why we write here 5 upon 2 because fifth mark, so 5 upon 6. Understand? This is A is a 5 upon 6. Then B is also 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and B is a 10 mark from 0. That's why this is a 10 upon 6. Understand? Then second example. See student, in this example 0 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal part. That's why denominator is 5. So A is from third division. See student, A 1, 2, 3. That's why we write here 3 upon 5. B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marks. That's why we write here 7 upon 5. Why do we get up 5 denominator? Because 0 to 1, it is a 5 equal part. That's why we get 5 denominator. Third example. There are no given denominator, but we find out because 0 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a 7 denominator. B is a third mark, third divided, because we write here 3 upon 7. Then A is a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is a 10 mark. On a 10 mark, that's why we write here 10 upon 7. Understand, student? Then second example. Second question, show the following fraction on a number line. This is, we give here fraction, 2 example, and we show on a number line. Student, in the first example, there is a 5 denominator. So we divided into 5 equal parts. So see student, this is a 0 and 1. So we divided into 5 equal parts. And A, see student, this is a 1, 2, 3. 3 upon 5 is in this place. Understand? Then we find out 6 upon 5. So 1 is a 5 upon 5 and second is, this is a B. B is a 6 upon 5. Student, in this example, this is a mixed number and we convert into improper fraction. How do we do? 5 multiplied 2 plus 3 upon 5. 5 2s are 10 and 3, 13 upon 5. Understand? We convert into improper fraction. And 13, this is the 13 number from 0. That's why we write here C marks. Understand? Then second example, this denominator is 4. That's why we 4 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? So this 3 upon 4 is A point. 0 from 0, this is a third point. That's why we write here 3 upon 4. Then 5 upon 4. This is 5 upon 4 because it is a fifth point from 0. That's why we write here 5 upon 4. Then 2 integer 1 upon 4. How do we convert into 4 integer? 4 multiplied 2 plus 1 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 upon 4. So this point is 9th from 0. This is 9 mark. That's why we write here 9 upon 4. Understand, student? This is our problem set 11. Take a screenshot and write down your homework book. Okay, student? Bye and take care.